The New Energy Consumption Simulator by Jayco. J-Power. We just start from an actual paint shop. We analyze the typology in terms of dimension and production of the plant. And we analyze the technical data, power and energy request, the number of work shifts. We implemented a database of geographic position and climate conditions, mapping the whole world's surface and the climate conditions and the renewable energy's availability. So the software calculates the plant consumption, optimizing the quality and quantity of renewable energies used. And finally, it calculates the payback, meaning the years necessary to amortize the investment. J-Power can be applied to existing plants. J-Power is the program for the optimization of worldwide energy resources by Jayco.